Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can activate this rest to wake on your mobile phone or how you can turn off right. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, if you want to set this rest to wake on your mobile phone, then here you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of the home screen and lock screen. So here you have to click on it. When you click on it, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here on this lock screen option, here on the first option you can see the rest to wake. So if you want to turn on your rest to wake or lock screen, then just click on this icon. After that, whenever you will raise your phone, then this screen will be opened by itself. It will be raised by itself. Okay, wake up by itself. Okay, and friends, if you want to turn off, then again you just click on this icon. It will be set off. Okay, and friends, do you know that from this home screen mode, here you can see the drawer mode, and I select the drawer mode. Drawer mode, it means the from the upside and from the downside, but this standard mode it's different. Standard mode, it will be on this upside only. You can click on this apply option and it will be applied successfully. If you want to apply this standard mode, okay, it's different. Okay, this is the standard mode, and here is the drawer mode. I can show you. This is called drawer mode, and from here this is called standard mode. Okay, so which one you prefer, you can select it. Standard mode is the oldest options, and the drawer mode is the modern option. Okay, so which one you want to select, then you can choose it. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and friends, about the olden or modern, you can check on through Google. Okay, if you want to check, hope so you will understand or you will apply. Okay friends, bye.